this video, I will compare Dropship.io and Shophunter, two popular research tools for dropshipping to help you decide which one is the best for finding profitable products, analyzing competitors, and many more. And I will divide this video into certain topics, and we will cover platform overview, pricing and plans, features and tools, ease of use, what is it best for, and the final verdict. So let's not wait any longer and dive into the video. So let's start off with a platform overview. Shophunter is a Shopify store tracking tool that allows users to monitor competitor stores, track new product launches, and analyze store performance. And Dropship.io, on the other hand, is a product research tool that provides real-time insights on trending dropshipping products, store analytics, and AI-powered product recommendations. So let's move on to the pricing and plans. Dropship.io offers tiered pricing plans with access to competitor tracking, AI-driven suggestions, and detailed product analytics. And in here we can see that we have three plans. We have basic, standard, and premium, and you can get a 7-day free trial, which you can cancel anytime. You can also choose to pay monthly or pay yearly, and let's dive into the plans then a little bit more. So the basic plan has 20 searches a day, and it has 10,000 credits in the ad library, and you can check 15 stores a day with the extension. While the standard plan has unlimited searches in the product database, 25,000 credits in the ad library, and you have full access to top products, and you can see 30 stores a day with the Chrome extension. So the difference between basic and standard is pretty big, especially if you want to search a lot, then 20 searches a day will be quite a limit for you. So with the standard plan, you won't have these limits. So that is a really nice upgrade. And the premium is the biggest plan to maximize your potential of success. And this is really for professional store owners. So what about the pricing for Shophunter? Shophunter provides free and premium plans with different levels of store tracking, product monitoring, and historical data access. So as you can see, Shophunter has 4 plans. You have the basic, professional, business, and enterprise. And let's see what's included. With the basic plan that's starting at $50 a month, you will have 25 tracked stores. You have access to the top 40 global stores, top 20 global products, and email and ticket support. And you don't have an Explore search feature in the basic version. And that's only for the professional version and on. So professional, business, and enterprise have the Explore search option. And that is actually really nice to have when you are on a tool like Shophunter or Dropship.io and you want to do some competitor research and actual research to grow your own store. So that is something to consider. The Explore search is only included in the professional plan and on. And that's starting from $75 a month. And these are the monthly prices, and you can also click on annual, and then you can pay for a year fee, and you have a professional fee that's $750 a year. And when you choose the annual plan, this will save you a lot of money. But of course, it is better to first try everything out, and that is with a free trial. In here, that is absolutely possible. So you just have to click on Start Spying, and then you can start your journey on Shophunter. So let's move on to the features and tools. Dropship.io tracks trending products and provides detailed sales data to help dropshippers make informed decisions. It also includes a competitor research tool that allows users to analyze Shopify stores and their best-selling products. It also features AI-powered product recommendations to help discover high-potential items. And what about Shophunter? Shophunter allows users to monitor competitor Shopify stores, tracking charges and product listings, prices, and best-selling items. It also offers email alerts for new product additions, price adjustments, and promotions from tracked stores. And it also provides store performance analytics, including estimated revenue and traffic insights. And what about the ease of use? Let's start off with Shophunter. Well, Shophunter is designed with a clean interface and automated tracking to help users keep an eye for competitor stores without manual effort. So this is a really nice one. And what about Dropship.io? Well, Dropship.io features an intuitive dashboard that allows dropshippers to analyze trends and access data efficiently. And I would say that Dropship.io is best for dropshippers who need in-depth competitor analysis, AI-driven product discovery, and data-backed research tools. And on the other hand, I would say that Shophunter is best for those who want to track specific Shopify stores and analyze competitors' pricing, product strategies, and sales trends. So let's make a final verdict on Shophunter and Dropship.io. I would say choose Dropship.io if you are looking for a powerful product research tool with the AI-driven insights. And I would say go with Shophunter if you want to monitor competitor stores and track their product changes in real time. And let me know which one do you prefer. Let me know in the comments. Anyway, thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.